Ever work hard to create a strategic plan, only to have it be dead on arrival, at the office that is? Lots of work getting it thought out, but it ends up getting filed who knows where and only referenced when you have to create a report. It can feel like one thankless uphill push. But there's a better way. In fact, every strategic plan needs just 4 things to create tremendous value. 1. The strategic plan has to have goals that are relevant to the market and critical to your growth, your survival, your mission. Goals that are backed up with enough common sense and market data that you could win an argument with a teenager. 2. It has to be visibly tied to ongoing projects and action plans in the regular scope of work. Strategic goals need to be tied to a strong plan with the type of compelling logic that would make you bet your lunch, maybe even your career, on the outcome, not a separate set of tasks that everyone feels is extra work. 3. Strategic plans need to be reviewed regularly, checked to see if they are still valid, as supported by a measurement process. The day you stop reviewing, stop course correcting, the plan stops being as relevant. 4. Finally, you need a technology that keeps your strategy visible every day. Tie your strategy into a highly visible scorecard and the action plans into the projects and tasks that merge into each person's daily calendar. Keep it visible, keep it alive. ManagePro is that tool that supports all of your strategic planning and execution needs. Start planning and working more strategically today. Start working with ManagePro. You'll be glad you did.